Okay, I'm going to explain how to replace this weather stripping on a 2009 Honda Civic two-door coupe. Bought these off of Amazon. Put the part number in the description. These are the replacement parts. Steps are removing this, and then this just pops out from here, pops out underneath here, and then installing the new one. Fairly easy. Tools you will need: 5/16 impact or a wrench to remove the window, flathead screwdriver, and that's about it. Okay, first step, popping off the cover that goes over this, removing this bolt, and this bolt, or nut, and then removing this. So to remove this, push this tab in. My passenger side had two. This one only has one. It's just for ease of installation. This tab pushes in, and then the whole thing popped out. There's actually 3 bolts on the driver's side, 3 nuts, 1, 2. I had to take this cap off. Take that nut off. Okay, now that the mirror's off, we're gonna start prying here, and it should pop out. Okay, now that the mirror's off, start prying here. Just push it in, pull it up. The whole thing pops off. And it slides out from underneath there. To install the new weather stripping on the driver's side, this metal piece here, slide in between here. Again, keep in mind, this cutout goes to the back. Flat piece goes towards the mirror, driver's side mirror. Start by inserting, sliding all the way back till this is underneath here, and work your way and then just push it down. Reinstall the mirror. Install 3 nuts, this, and the cover. 3 nuts installed. 1, 2, 3. Install this cap, push it on, install the wire loom, snap that in, and then install your plastic cover here.